Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you get help into your Binance application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to get help, you just simply have to open your Binance application, and after opening the Binance application, you will get to see a bunch of options into this homepage. Now, after coming into this page, you just simply have to tap into this headphone icon into the top right side. Tap into that icon, and after tapping into there, this page of search or ask question will appear. Now you just simply have to find out what you are looking for in this help section. You can choose between facts, self-service, and you might be looking for section. There you will get to see a bunch of questions and answers. Just simply select the thing that you are searching for. If you are having any issues with Web3 wallet, tap into this section. If you're having issues with crypto deposit, tap into this section. Similarly, you can also search for your question by tapping into this top search bar and just simply type your issue into here. And after searching, it will suggest topics for you. Just simply select the topics for which you would like to get help. And this way, you will get help regarding your questions and issues into Binance. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.